When disaster strikes, will you be ready? In this video, we're revealing the best Doomsday survival gear and gadgets you must have in 2025. From bug-out bags, tactical gear, and emergency food supplies to solar-powered tools, portable water filters, and off-grid survival kits. These must-have items are perfect for any SHTF scenario. Whether it's a natural disaster, power grid failure, or total collapse, this gear could save your life. Stay prepared, stay smart. Let's dive into the ultimate survival checklist.
A reliable, portable stove is essential for cooking during outdoor adventures or survival situations. Meet the Instafire Survival Stove, which takes portable stove technology to the next level. This innovative biomass stove runs on a variety of fuels, making it a versatile option for any outdoor scenario. With a powerful USB-powered variable speed fan, it boosts airflow to reach cooking temperatures of up to 1,500 degrees, boiling 16 ounces of water in under 3 minutes. For slow cooking or reheating, the fan can be set to a lower speed for precise heat control. Compact and lightweight, this stove is easy to carry and perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. It pairs perfectly with Instafire's fire-starting fuel, ensuring quick ignition and reliable heat in any condition. Designed for efficiency and portability, the Instafire Survival Stove guarantees a dependable cooking solution wherever your adventures take you. Camping at night can be tricky, and ensuring proper lighting for visibility and safety is essential. Introducing the Vagio Plus LED rope lights, a stylish palm-sized rope light with an acorn shape that enhances visibility while maintaining a soft, ambient glow. Designed for camping, it illuminates tent ropes and tarps, preventing accidental trips in the dark without being overly bright or disturbing your sleep. The light emits a warm amber hue, making it suitable for use even while resting. The Vagio Plus features a versatile clip design that allows it to attach not only to ropes, but also to zippers, chairs, pegs, or other camping gear. It's water resistant, so it can withstand rain or dew, and its 3 lighting modes, flashing high, flashing low, and steady low, extend its battery life up to 100 hours. Plus, it comes with 10 spare batteries, ensuring you're prepared for extended adventures. This charming, acorn-shaped light is a must-have for stylish campers seeking safety and ambience. Keeping your feet dry and comfortable in any weather is essential for outdoor activities and travel. Introducing NonStop 2.0 waterproof socks, the ultimate solution for all-season foot protection. These socks are 100% waterproof and breathable, designed to perform like regular socks while shielding you from rain, snow, mud, and even sand. Made with innovative waterproof technology, they keep your feet dry no matter the season, ensuring comfort and performance in any condition. Whether you're traveling the world or relaxing at home, these socks offer year-round comfort, fitting so well you'll forget you're even wearing them. Beyond just being waterproof, NonStop 2.0 also features strong anti-dust and grease resistance, making cleaning a breeze. The moisture-wicking design ensures your feet stay fresh and sweat-free, even in extreme environments. With an anti-slip bottom for excellent grip and cushioning, these socks are perfect for walking on any terrain, offering freedom without shoes. Take on any adventure with confidence and comfort. With the rise of global warming and increased insect resistance to traditional chemical solutions, effective protection against insect bites has become a necessity for outdoor enthusiasts. Introducing the 3D Flow Jacket, an innovative textile solution designed to shield against mosquitoes and other insects while maintaining style and comfort. Founded by Sebastian Iriarte, who was inspired by his experiences in the Bolivian Amazon, this jacket features 3 specialized layers that create an impenetrable barrier against insects without relying on harmful chemicals. The breathable and ventilated fabric ensures comfort during movement, allowing you to enjoy nature freely without the worry of insect bites. Its modern design not only prioritizes functionality, but also delivers a stylish look for any adventure. The 3D Flow Jacket is crafted for those who want to explore the outdoors safely and comfortably. Stay protected, ventilated, and stylish on every adventure. When you need reliable power at home, on the go, or during outdoor activities, a portable power solution becomes essential. Introducing the Duracell Power Station, a versatile and compact powerhouse that keeps your small devices like phones, tablets, and laptops fully charged. With its lightweight design, it's easy to grab and go. The Power Station features a 250-watt capacity, a magnetic tiltable lid, a wireless phone charging pad, and a dimmable ring light for added convenience. A built-in cord storage unit helps keep things organized. Simply charge it on the dock, and you'll have portable power ready to use all day. Whether you're working remotely, camping, or needing backup power at home, this power station offers the freedom to stay connected wherever you are. Designed by the trusted brand Duracell, it's engineered to power your life effortlessly.